curlies, welcome back to my channel That Happy Soul, and today I am back with another fun curly video. And in today's video I am very much excited because I am going to color my hair red. If you have seen my previous video in which I have colored my hair blue, you might know like what I am going to do, because I'm using the same product that I used that time, just the color would be different. So before starting the whole process, just let me tell you about the product that I'm going to use today. Today I'm going to use this Curlsmith hair makeup. But last time that I used color was turquoise, which gave me blue color, and this time I'm going to use this ruby color. I have seen many videos on YouTube, but most of the videos were on blonde hair. When you give color to a blonde hair, it undoubtedly it looks so beautiful, but thing comes when you're coloring a black hair. And this black, as you can see, I have purely black hair. There's very rare chance that color would stay on this hair, because to get that proper color, if you are doing it permanently, then what you need to do is first get rid of the black color, bleach out, and then you put color on that. So this is not a permanent color, it's just a temporary color. So I will be just coating my hair with this color. Before starting, let me give you a little introduction of this product. So a temporary color styling gel, which means while applying this product I will be styling my hair as well. So I don't need to put extra gel or extra cream later on to get to tame those frizz. So it's a temporary color, rinses in one wash, which means next time while washing my hair I will get rid of all the color, so there will be nothing left on my hair, which is a very good thing, because when you get bored you just want to get rid of those color and then you can apply any other color. As I have blue, next time you'll be seeing me in some other color as well. Okay, it's easy to apply, you don't need gloves or anything, but yes, it is a messy process obviously. It's transfer resistant, which means that it will not stick to your hair or anything when it's dry. Obviously when it's wet, the color gets onto the product or onto your like whatever. If you touch your, if I'll put that color on my t-shirt, obviously it will stick to my t-shirt, it will be washed off later on. It's CG approved, cruelty free, sulfate, paraben free, vegan, and free from all the bad chemicals that you don't want on your hair. It's made up of from strawberry, beet extract, rooibos, and watermelon. Okay, so before applying this product I'll just share my few of experience from the last one. So the only thing that I noticed, first of all, you need to apply a lot of leave-in, because this makes your hair a little bit dry, not frizzy, just dry. So you need to put a little bit extra leave-in. Second thing, it says it's transfer proof. It's true that it does not stick to your hair, but as it's a gel, which means it's just a coating on your hair, which means when you sleep at night the residue of this product starts to get fall. Second or third day, what happened was the color that was on my hair started falling off. I noticed that my turban had a lot of color on that. So let's give this one again a try. I am very much excited because I want to see how this color will react actually on black hair. So yeah, let's start it. As you can see, I have already washed my hair, I have conditioned my hair, but I haven't applied any leave-in. So I will be using, last time also I used this one, that's the Curlsmith styling balm. Starting with this leave-in, I have prepped my hair with leave-in and added some little bit of water as well, and then did some squish to condition so that my hair is moisturized and does not get that much dry. Let's hope it does not get dry like last time. And yeah, let's start coloring it. This is the color. So as I have told you, we don't need any gloves. We will directly put this into our hand and then now I'll start applying it. Whoa. Color has gel as well in it. I don't need to worry that I have to put gel again. But what I have to take care of is that I do not stick my all hair together. So that's why what I'm doing is I'm applying with a raking hand so that all the strands are separate. Add some more at the ends because I like it dark at the ends. Now what I think is I should apply this with praying hands like this. Okay. Adding some more at the back. My hair is too wet now. That color has started dripping off, so make sure your hair is not too dry. It should be just damp. And I have made my hair so wet that color has started dripping off. Oh no. Never mind. Whoa. Oh my god, my face is full of... Oops. As I told you that this is a super messy procedure or tutorial as well. One of the most messy. So my hair is all colored till here and my t-shirt and my face as well. I think I have applied good amount of product for now, but if it's not enough and it's not looking red, what can be done is I can apply another coat tomorrow because it's night and I can't see right now. So maybe tomorrow morning I will be able to see the actual color, and then I can decide whether should I go with another coating or not. If this one is good, then I'll obviously not put the another coat, and if this is not enough and not showing the actual color that I want, then I'll be obviously coating it again. So yeah, so this was the color. Now you have to wait. Actually, you don't have to wait. Within a second you will see the result, but I have to wait till tomorrow and I'll show you the results. Hopefully it's good. these are the final results now. Yesterday, as I applied the gel and let it dry with obviously hair dryer, and then I didn't break that cast. I slept on that cast with the hair turban on. As I showed you my turban as well, yesterday was the first day, so there was no fall off. I'll just have a check whether within this week it gets off or not. Obviously it will get off, but on the very first day it didn't get off. That was very good, and I'm very happy with the results. Can you see? It looks like I have actually colored my hair. This one looks like natural. It is giving me that feel that I have actually permanently done hair color. So yes, I am very happy with my results. You can see it looks so intense right now. And definition, the shape of the curl is so good. As I told you that this color has gel as well, it has worked pretty much as it said, with proper definition and good curls. And just for a fun, I want you to guess the another color that I'm going to try. So just leave a comment and guess which color I'm going to try. In next video I will be applying third color as well. That's it for this week, guys. Hope you like the video. Hope you like. I can just enjoy this temporary coloring for a week, for a 2 week, and then just get rid of to my natural hair without damaging my hair, without having those harsh chemicals on my hair. You never know when my mind changes and I'll do some coloring or something, anything else to my hair. But for now I am safe and I will be using this one. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe, take care, bye.